Oh, okay. Hi guys.
It seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but just so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Push down in my home, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can be my own now. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Ain't dealing with you,
Excuse me,
don't
bud.
know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back on my phone, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby. One thing that you should know, little bitty bastard, act like you a stranger, Memory loss, I'm feeling like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up, 42 quarters to a quarter. Blue screen, I started pull up. Watch me go up, baby, so up. I'm back and I'm better, baby. Well, bitch, on my love, ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. Know you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you do. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish, like I'm
Hi guys. I just realized I have not said anything to you guys this entire video yet, but I'm so sorry for the lighting. This house has horrible, and I mean horrible lighting. But okay. I'm liking how my hair's coming out. I'm starting to try to figure out my curly hair. I was never a big curly hair girl when I was younger. I used to hate my curly hair. Literally, I used to hate it. Probably because of how the schools were. Everyone had straight hair. I could not. So now I'm starting my curly hair journey, and I've been wearing it for a couple months, but I've never really did what I just did to it. I never really had defined curls, and I just watched this video on Instagram of how you could get better defined curls. I was gonna try it out, and it's kind of cute. I like it. It's still kind of wet, so we're gonna wait to see. Shiva's here. Hold on. Hi, mamas. Hi. Look. Look, say hi. Thank you. Okay, I'll put you down. Yeah, so, what was I saying? I forgot. Anyway, yeah. Oh, it's 60% dry. It's not even dried yet. But we're gonna see how it is when it's fully dry. And I like how my makeup came out. It looks kind of weird on camera, I'm not even gonna lie. My head shape looks so weird, but in the mirror it don't look like that. Honestly, I had no plans for this video. I just really miss vlogging. I haven't vlogged a lot because I've been really burnt out with motherhood and all that. I just haven't done anything that I've been wanting to do for myself. Everything's just been pushed towards my son, okay, Jay. But everything's been pushed towards my son, which is fine. But just taking care of myself is literally on the back burner for me. I don't take care of myself as much. So vlogging is literally one of the things that makes me happy, along with art, doing makeup. I'm starting to love doing my hair a little bit, still getting used to it. If you guys could see how the reason why I kept looking over here towards the mirror is because Sheepa is eyeballing me. Don't mind my clothes, we have to wash clothes. But look at that. Okay. I have to wash clothes. But Sheba is literally just right there. I realized I really need to start taking care of myself and doing things that just make me happy. So I wanted to start vlogging today. Like I said, no plans whatsoever. It was supposed to just be a cozy morning. Today's Tuesday, Wednesday, and tomorrow is my birthday, March 28th. I'm excited. I don't have any plans. I never have any plans. I never do anything on my birthday because I never can. So, I mean, I can, but it's kind of hard because always, last couple years, it's been cold on my birthday. Last year, it literally snowed on my birthday. We had a whole blizzard, which, like, it don't make sense. And out here, it's cold. And I'm just like, can't really do anything. And then I don't have anyone to watch Jay. So it's like, oh my gosh. So I think I really wanted to take myself out to lunch. I wanted to go to this ramen spot that's like 20 minutes from me. I don't have anyone to watch Jay. I wanted to like do a self date, a solo date. But it is what it is. It's okay. Maybe this weekend I can try it. I don't know yet, but we're going to see.
Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just so be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
I did my nails. Stormy. Hi, Bubba's. Why the moment you get on camera, you stop crying? Stormy. He's been crying for the last 10 minutes for his mama. And now once I pull my phone out, he stops. So I just finished. Yep. So I just finished my nails, and guess what? I literally just I messed this one up, if you can see, and then I messed this one up because I had to go to the bathroom, and I hit it on my leg. I just can't. What was that, baby?
I don't know.
I cannot win when it comes to doing my nails. Like, I am not good at doing my nails, but I was tired of them looking crusty. And I'm going to do my toes maybe tonight or tomorrow. I'm not quite sure. Don't even... Oh my God. But now it's like 5 o'clock? No, it's 4:20. And I think I'm about to go start dinner. I'm sorry. Okay. But yeah, I think I'm going to go start dinner because it's getting late and I'm getting hungry. Oh, you want some love? Is that what you want? I can see you. Let's go start dinner.
Yeah, maybe we can go like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just so be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Jaden, you want to go to the library? That's because you brought it up.
Hey, yo, crazy.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah, he need be relaxing, he need did your taxes. Yeah. We went triple platinum, won't wanna hear no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out there, bottom money, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, point me to my ends. Who we think he is in that brand new Benz? Should've knew I was coming, just still a youngin', I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turn nothing to something, I look at your cousin, the youngest, he's me and running. I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100. You see me down in the house, so you got that respect me. Fuck you, give me my check, please. Youngin' chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. I had it all, but now I'm richer than I've ever been. 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 I'm richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cars, hoes, etc. Hit 'em with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up. Wake up, got a million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check now, I'm flexing my muscles, I feel like cause we come from nothing new rollies and plaques. Fake love, it was holding them back. Flashbacks while you pulling me out. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shine. Used to daydream about thumping the rack. He tuck and get cold in the rack. Tears fall while he loading the strap. Seen it all, he just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before